choose a turf for the inside of my Jeep, just where I step in so it doesn't get too dirty and it'll feel nice on my feet. These are the options and I'm going to go with this. That's just so dope, and it's super soft too. Imagine how it's going to feel on the feet. Got this idea from Zach, one of my subscribers who did a build like mine, and he did some of his own modifications and it turned out super awesome. So shout out to him. And yeah, so let's get this cut up. It's going to measure 3 feet in length, and it's going to be about, I'm guessing 10 inches, 22 inches wide. The reason why I'm not going to do the whole thing is because I am going to be wanting to take it out and shake the rug when it gets dirty.